Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Chainlink, as Chainlink just hit $31 yet again. We actually saw earlier September 15th at 6:45 a.m. hitting that 31.45. So Chainlink's on a roll, and there's many reasons as to why that is. A lot of people starting to buy and understand what Chainlink is and why there's so much value behind this coin. So we're going to deep dive in today, talking about some of the big partnerships and integrations just recently, as well as talking about how Chainlink bears, since we hit that $30 mark, are now going to be in trouble. If you shorted Chainlink, if you did anything that kind of goes against Chainlink in a way, you are going to, like I said, be missing out on a great opportunity. So I want to jump into the first tweet. It's going to be one of my own. It's actually going to be, if Link hits $40 before October 1st, I will give someone who retweets 40 Link. So this is actually huge. 40 Link, if it hits $40, going to be a decent amount of money. Obviously, Chainlink's one of those coins I believe goes even much higher than $40 by the end of this bull market. So this could be a decent amount of money. So make sure to follow so you can actually be DM'd if you win as well. I do want to jump back to the Chainlink price chart, because right now where we're at, $13.8 billion in market cap, is just the beginning. I think we are going to see that market cap continue to really gain very, very high momentum, as we see the volume already starting to pick up in pace. At $2.3 billion in volume in just the last 24 hours, Chainlink is looking even more and more bullish, as we continue to see this last week of about a 9 to 10% increase, in the last month of about a 14% increase. You are going to see a ton of volatility, and you continue to see that across the markets. We saw actually $36.35 back in September 6th at 10 a.m. So that's something that you will continue to see, is ups and downs like this in the crypto space. Obviously, volatility is something that kind of remains and will always remain. If we look at the market as a whole, though, Bitcoin just passed 48K, which is a huge milestone for Bitcoin, back above 48K. A lot of people thinking 50K in a matter of just a matter of time. A lot of people, like I said, excited about this crypto space jumping back into play. I want to talk a little bit more about Chainlink specifically, so let's jump into the first really, I guess, integration that Chainlink has had just recently. There is a huge ecosystem that really revolves around Chainlink. There's so much really to benefit, in my opinion, by holding Chainlink. The only thing that Chainlink does not have right now is going to be a way to stake. So before we jump into these integrations, I want to jump into BlockFi. So I've talked about this prior, in prior videos, but it always suits very, very well in Chainlink videos, because it relates very, very, like I said, well with the idea that Chainlink staking is not out quite yet. So when Chainlink staking is out, by the way, I do expect a huge, huge increase. But BlockFi is one way to really take advantage of Chainlink, the cryptocurrency right now. Like I said, you can actually use a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account. Your cryptocurrency can earn up to 7.5% APY. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So BlockFi is a very well-known and really, really established company in the crypto space. So if you guys have any questions, comments, many people can answer them for you. And like I said, if you want to start with BlockFi, get started, or just check it out, use my link in the description below. If you guys do use my BlockFi referral link, it'll actually give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up, getting you well on your way and started with the crypto journey. I do want to jump back over to this really integration with Growth DeFi and how it's using Chainlink price feeds on Binance Chain to support their collateralized stablecoin lending protocol more. So this is absolutely huge, seeing more and more integrations every single day. So this was just, like I said, all within this last 24 to 48 hour period at the very least. I think mostly in the 24-hour period though. So Flourishing AI is integrating Chainlink price feeds on Polygon to supply its AI-powered portfolio management tools with high-quality price data. We have more to jump into. So we also have active market data will supply premium data to the DeFi ecosystem through the Chainlink network. Continuing forward, we see the decentralized lending protocol VFinance has integrated Chainlink price feeds on Avalanche AVAX to mainnet to access decentralized price oracles, optimized to provide high-quality data at low latencies without single points of failure. Continuing forward, we see the Hustle is integrating Chainlink VRF on its NFT-based platform, where musicians can actually connect directly with fans. So the cool article here that I want to really show you guys, if you are bullish on Chainlink, there's a lot to support this, whether it's just recent articles, recent tweets, recent TA done on, Twitter or wherever you're finding your bullish news on Chainlink. This is going to be something to remember. Chainlink bears will get wrecked if Link price moves past $30. This is by Jonathan Morgan on FX Street, and it's a great article talking about really which way we're kind of trending at this point in time. The key resistance ahead for Chainlink near the $30 range is the last step for bulls to push higher. Well, we passed that $30 very, very easily, and now like I said, on our way to 31. It looks like we're there right now. If we refresh, I'm sure we'll be below again. and it looks like $30.96. So just barely below. Like I said, just tons of volatility. It's already been up past 31 a couple times though today. And I think, as we move forward, a lot of people are going to realize what they're missing out on with Chainlink. If you guys don't know what Chainlink is, it's an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So it's absolutely huge, and it's going to continue to remain one of the biggest coins or cryptocurrencies in this space. If we actually look at the Chainlink ecosystem as well, if you look back in 2017, where it kind of just originally started to get those partnerships and integrations, we only had 2 projects jumping on board. 2018, obviously, utility was continuing to be really built. And because of that, we got 21 new projects. 2019, 103, 2020, 239 projects, and 2021 being the biggest with 412 projects jumping on board just this 2021 year alone. And we are not done yet with 2021. So it's just continuing to pick up the pace, continuing to be more valuable and really utility based than ever, with huge things coming in just the near future. So I do want to talk about the price predictions for Chainlink by the end of the year, by the end of the bull market. Where do we expect Chainlink to continue to push to? As like I said, right now, right around that $31 mark, I think Chainlink's one of those coins that I believe very heavily in. I've talked about this coin pretty much every single day for the past, I would say probably past almost a year by now. Not really a year, probably like 6 to 7 months we've talked about Chainlink on this channel. And it's always been one that, has really, I guess, been brought out to me. It's always been, obvious to me that it's going to do so well in the future and long term of the crypto space. And I think by the end of the year, we easily see Chainlink pushing closer and closer to maybe even $100 to $120 at the very least. I've been going with about $80 to $120 for the end of the year. And by the end of the bull market part 2, right around $200 to $400 range. This market cap is still fairly low. I think Chainlink's still very undervalued, below $14 billion in market cap. We'll continue to check back on Chainlink, obviously, and do update videos, pretty much every single day on the channel. If you guys want to stay up to date with Chainlink, as well as Cardano, Polkadot, we talk about it all here on the channel, whether it's altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or, just anything else related to crypto. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I do want to jump over to Twitter, though, and give you guys one more opportunity to take advantage of this, guys. So if Link hits $40 before October 1st, I will give someone who retweets 40 Chainlink. So follow so I can actually DM you if you win. This is going to be a big deal, very big giveaway. Depending on where Chainlink goes from here, we could see, Chainlink by the end of the bull market, like I said, around $200 to $400. So imagine having 40 of that. A very big giveaway. So I do want to say, guys, thank you for this awesome support. I'm only able to really do these giveaways because of the amazing support you guys give me. If you guys want to as well, I do have a Patreon down in the description below. So if you guys want to stay up to date on exclusive market picks, that I will be giving out to you guys on the Patreon, whether it's low market picks or low market cap picks, I should be saying, and then also pre-sales, IDOs, ICOs, and just exclusive market updates that I'm really going to be kind of giving you guys, like I said, on that Patreon. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.